Unlike some high-riding estate cars that look tough but are happier on the school run that's graveling up a mountain track, the Subaru has some serious mud-plugging credentials. At the heart of this ability is the X-Mode setup that tweaks the traction control for extra grip in slippery conditions and engages the hill descent control that allows you to tackle the steepest slopes. It's standard on all models fitted with the Lineartronic CVT transmission. Yet there's more to the Outback's talents than trick electronics. For example, it offers impressively high ground clearance of 200 mm, while the approach and departure angles rival some dedicated off-roaders. And as you can see from the pictures, the Subaru isn't out of its depth when wading through water. Then there's the car's symmetrical all-wheel drive, which unlike rival systems is always engaged, so there's no confidence-sapping wheel spin as the transmission frantically shuffles torque to the tire with the most traction. However, I'll admit that despite its talent when the going gets tough, I actually rarely venture off the tarmac in our car. It's just reassuring to know it will do it if ever the need arises.